A disc-on antenna is A combination of disc and cone in close proximity. B. A combination of disc and cone at 4 spacing. C. A combination of disc and cone far apart. D. A combination of disc and cone at 2 spacing. The correct answer is a combination of disc and cone in close proximity. In a two-tone AM system, the two modulating frequencies are 2000p and 4000p radsec. If carrier frequency is 2px106 radsec, the frequencies of upper sidebands are A 1.002 MHz and 1.004 MHz. B 1.001 MHz and 1.002 MHz. C 1.001 MHz and 1.004 MHz. D 1.002 MHz and 1.008 MHz. The correct answer is 1.001 MHz and 1.002 MHz. For a system to be designated as high AFI, the signal-to-noise ratio should be at least A 25 dB, B 50 dB, C 75 dB, D 100 dB. The correct answer is 50 dB. Dolby system of noise reduction divides the total audio spectrum into A 8 frequency bands, B 4 frequency bands, C 2 frequency bands, D none of the above. The correct answer is 4 frequency bands. In a system, an input resistance of 20k causes a noise voltage of 15 V. If two such input resistances each of 20k are used in parallel, the total noise voltage will be about A 15 V, B 30 V, C 7.5 V, D 10.6 V. The correct answer is 10.6 V. In the television system in India, the odd and even fields are scanned A 25 times each, B 25 times each but alternately, C 50 times each, D 50 times each but alternately. The correct answer is 25 times each but alternately. Consider the following: A1, 2 and 3, B1 and 2 only, C1 only, D2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Vidicon and Plumbicon operate on the principle of A. Photoconduction, B. Photoemission, C. Photovoltaic, D. none of the above. The correct answer is photoconduction. A TV receiver has a width of 60 centimeters. The aspect ratio is 4:3. The required EHT supply is about A 29 kV, B 2.9 kV, C 45 kV, D 4.5 kV. The correct answer is 29 kV. The typical squelch circuit: A. Cuts off if amplifier when AGC is minimum, B. Cuts off if amplifier when AGC is maximum, C. Cuts off audio amplifier when carrier is absent, D. Eliminates RF interference when signal is weak. The correct answer is cuts off audio amplifier when carrier is absent. A narrowband noise NT has symmetrical spectrum and has power density spectrum 0.2 x 106. The power density of quadrature component is A 0.2 x 106, B 107, C 4 x 107, D 5 x 108. The correct answer is 107. The radio receivers mostly used nowadays are A. TRF receivers, B. super heterodyne receivers, C. CW receivers, D. pulsed receivers. The correct answer is super heterodyne receivers. The reactance of coupling capacitors for DC quantities is A 0, B low, C infinite, D 0 or low. The correct answer is infinite. An AM wave is given by ST AM20 10.5 cos 10 3T 0.3 cos 10 4T cos 10 6T. The modulation index of the envelope is A 0.5, B 0.58, C 0.3, D 0.8. The correct answer is 0.58. The modulating frequency in frequency modulation is increased from 10 kHz to 30 kHz. The bandwidth is increased by A6, B1 6 times, C increase by 30 kHz, D increase by 20 kHz. The correct answer is 6. A sinusoidal signal with peak-to-peak amplitude of 1.536 volt is quantized into 128 levels using a mid-rise uniform quantizer. The quantization noise power is A 0.768 V, B 48x106 V, C 12x106 V, D 3.072 volt. The correct answer is 12x106 V. An FM wave is made to pass through a frequency tripler. If original modulation index is MF, the output of tripler has a modulation index equal to AMF, BMF, C3MF, DMF. The correct answer is 3MF. A balloon provides an impedance transformation of A16-1, B8-1, C4-1, D2-1. The correct answer is 4-1. A signal MT with bandwidth 500 Hz is first multiplied by a signal GT where the resulting signal is then passes through an ideal low-pass filter with bandwidth 1 kHz. The output of the low-pass filter would be AT, BMT, C0, DMTT. The correct answer is MT. If S0 and 0 SI and M, where S0 and S1 are signal power output and signal power input, and N0 and Nm are noise power output and noise power input, the value of for SSB-SC and DSB-SC amplitude modulated system respectively are A1 and 1, B1 and 2, C2 and 1, D 0.5 and 0.5. The correct answer is 1 and 1. Consider the drawbacks. A1 and 2 only, B2 and 3 only, C1 and 3 only, D1 2 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. It is required to increase the maximum range of a radar by a factor of 2. The peak power transmitted in the radar system has to be increased by a factor of A2, B4, C8, D16. The correct answer is 2. Armstrong FM transmitter performs frequency multiplication in stages. A to increase the overall SN, B for convenience, C to reduce the bandwidth, D to find the desired value of carrier frequency with frequency deviation. The correct answer is to find the desired value of carrier frequency with frequency deviation. A source generates 3 symbols with probability 0.25, 0.25, 0.50 at a rate of 3000 symbols per second. Assuming independent generation of symbols, the most efficient source encoder would have average bit rate is as A 6000 bits sec, B 4500 bits sec, C 3000 bits sec, D 1500 bits sec. The correct answer is 4500 bits sec. The filter circuit for feeding tweeter has A. an inductance in series and a capacitance in parallel, B. a capacitance in series and an inductance in parallel, C. a resistance in series and a capacitance in parallel, D. a capacitance in series and a resistance in parallel. The correct answer is a capacitance in series and an inductance in parallel. The name modem is a contraction of terms modulator demodulator. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The use of SSB. A. Halves the bandwidth required for transmission. B. Does not affect the bandwidth for transmission. C. Decreases the bandwidth required for transmission by 25. D. Decreases the bandwidth required for transmission by 66.6. The correct answer is halves the bandwidth required for transmission. Video signals are transmitted through A. Amplitude modulation. B. Frequency modulation. C. Either amplitude or frequency modulation. D. Neither amplitude nor frequency modulation. The correct answer is amplitude modulation. A TV receiver has 20 kV EHT supply and total beam current for 3 electron guns of 1500 A. The power handled by IHVT is A. 3 watts. B. 30 watts. C. 300 watts. D. 0.3 watts. The correct answer is 30 watts. Some possible disadvantages of high-level modulation in TV transmitters are A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Beam width of an antenna is expressed in A. Meters. B. Degrees. C. Ratio of 2 powers. D. Ratio of 2 angles. The correct answer is degrees. In broadcast television, the number of lines per frame is chosen to be odd number to A. Reduce the required bandwidth. B. Improve resolution. C. Reduce peak power requirement. D. Make interlacing easier. The correct answer is make interlacing easier. In a picture tube, the video signal is applied to A. Cathode. B. Grid. C. Any anode. D. Either cathode or grid. The correct answer is cathode. If frames are repeated at 60 Hz and each frame has 525 lines, the time for scanning one horizontal line for progressive scanning and no interlacing is about A. 320 s. B. 32 s. C. 3.2 s. D. 0.32 s. The correct answer is 32 s. Full duplex operation. A. Requires modems at both ends of circuit. B. Requires 2 pairs of cables. C. Can transfer data in both directions simultaneously. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a tape recorder, the erase head is A. Engaged during playback but disengaged during recording. B. Engaged both during recording and playback. C. Disengaged both during recording and playback. D. Engaged during recording but disengaged during playback. The correct answer is engaged during recording but disengaged during playback. Consider the following statements as regards advantages of CCD sensors as camera pickup tube. A. 1, 2, 3. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Some desirable features of a computer communication network are A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1, 2, 3. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Television transmission is by A. Ground waves. B. Sky waves. C. Space waves. D. All of the above. The correct answer is space waves. In the television system in India, the aspect ratio is A. 4:3. B. 3:4. C. 5:4. D. 4:5. The correct answer is 4-3. In high-power radars, which of the following are used for switching? A. Power diode. B. Power BJT. C. Power MOSFET. D. Thyristor. The correct answer is thyristor. A remote control for TV uses A. LED in receiver and photodiode in transmitter. B. LED in transmitter and photodiode in receiver. C. LED in both transmitter and receiver. D. Photodiode in both transmitter and receiver. The correct answer is LED in transmitter and photodiode in receiver. In the FM wave described by equation V15 sin 4x 10 8t 3 sin 1000 and 100t, the carrier frequency and signal frequency respectively are A. 63.66 MHz and 175 Hz. B. 4x 10 8 Hz and 1100 Hz. C. 175 Hz and 63.66 MHz. D. 1100 Hz and 4x 10 8 Hz. The correct answer is 63.66 MHz and 175 Hz. A sequence Xn with the Z transform XZ Z4 Z22 Z23 Z4 is applied as an input to a linear time invariant system with the impulse response Hn2 N3, where the output at N4 is A6, B0, C2, D4. The correct answer is 0. Which of the following amplifiers is used for impedance matching? A. CE, B. CC, C. CB, D. Push-pull. The correct answer is CC. Which of the following amplifiers has highest output impedance? A. CE, B. CB, C. CC, D. Push-pull. The correct answer is CB. In a superheterodyne receiver having no RF amplifier, the IF is 455 kHz. The image frequency at 1000 kHz is A. 1455 kHz, B. 545 kHz, C. 1910 kHz, D. 90 kHz. The correct answer is 545 kHz. Audio tapes have two tracks, each 2.5 mm wide. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Which of the following amplifiers has a voltage gain of less than 1? A. CE, B. CC, C. CB, D. CE or CB. The correct answer is CC.